Alrighty, welcome back, traders. So, man, I gotta say, such a disappointing day today, man. We had VERU squeezing up again, hitting all-time highs, and I'm the guy who managed to lose money on it. Well, I'm gonna tell you exactly how it went. So, as you can see, we got a fat move on VERU right here. I really dropped the ball on this one. Look at my dumb ass. I hopped right in at the top, just like an idiot. So coming in, I should have paid way more attention to the 5-minute chart. All those green candles in a row, it needed a good pullback. Any support level would have, and I do the worst thing possible, man. I ended up averaging down, added to my position. If I'd have been paying attention and not so focused on the, it's the same stock that I traded the other day and it's squeezing up, I would have noticed that. So boom, here I go. Now I'm buying it and now I'm adding to my position. Oh man, I don't know what I was doing on this one. So this is what you don't want to do. If you buy at the top and you end up getting in too high, cut your loss. So to end it off, I go ahead and add one more time for a total of 200 shares. And now I didn't just make myself look like complete fool because I done bought at the top, averaged down, and I'm still in a losing position. And now it really done came down and tapped support. And here I am having to hit the bid and sell because after being down that much and then looking up and realize what I did, I'm like, let me just cut my loss because this is a good learning opportunity. So number one, don't buy the top. Number two, don't average down and cut your losses early. Don't be like me and use this as a learning opportunity.